All right, here we're looking at 1.1.13. So it says describe and correct the error a student made in finding an interval or intervals over which the function is positive and negative. And then I have the student's work down below here. So we have this graph here. Again, I'm going to make a quick sketch. Looks something like that. And then this point here is -1, and this is at 3. So they're stating positive and negative intervals, right? So we want to know what's positive, what's negative. So if we take a look here, positive is going to be anything above the x-axis. So this piece here, and then negative is going to be anything below. So this section down here and this section down here. The student states that positive is from -1 to 3 with closed brackets, and they're stating that it's negative from -infinity to -1, and then again from 3 to infinity. So the first thing I notice is that the numbers actually look good. All right, positive, like we said, was from -1 to 3. All right, that's okay. So this is all right here. The negative part, -infinity to -1 looks good, and 3 to infinity looks good to me. What's not okay here are these brackets. All right, right at the point -1, we have a 0, so that's -1, 0. And right here, we have the point 3, 0. So since these are zeros on the x-axis, they're not positive or negative. So this positive statement should actually say -1, 3, which is correct, but there should be parentheses because -1 and 3 are not included because they are zeros. They're not included in the positive or the negative aspect. So we have to find our correct answer. A says the zeros are neither positive nor negative. The student included these in the interval over which the function is negative, which is incorrect. All right, they include them positive, so we just got to find the right wording here. The negatives are 0. Sorry, the zeros are negative. That doesn't work. The zeros are neither positive nor negative. The student included these in the interval over which the function is positive. All right, so they had originally said those were positive. They're not, so we can make that selection there. Check our answer, and we're good. Now it says find the correct intervals over which the function is positive and negative. From there, all we need to do is just type in this piece here and then the negative intervals there, and you'll be good.